Are you also tired of your roommates playing loud music like this? If yes, then keep watching till end because today we are going to shut them up completely. But before we proceed further, I would like to tell you that misusing RF signals or jamming can land you in serious legal troubles because it's illegal in many places. So don't try it. Don't try it at your home or outside. No, don't try it. Just watch it for entertainment purpose only. Okay. So to make such 2.4 GHz Bluetooth jammer, we need ESP32 NRF24 module. Yeah, the same one which we use in remote controls and RC projects. Also, I'm using NRF24 adapter and lithium-ion charging module for two batteries in series. And I have assembled and soldered everything on the perf board. Now let's move on to the connections. So these are the connections. As you can see, I have connected all the pins of NRF24 adapter to the ESP32. Connected battery and all. So it's all pretty simple. You can get this circuit diagram in description. Now let's move on to the firmware. For that you have to visit this website. Here select generic, then select the first option combo channel, then click on connect. And now find which port you are using for your ESP32 and select that. After connecting, click install combo channel. Then click install. It will take some time. Once it's installed, you can close it. Now your jammer is ready to test for educational purpose only. So let's try it. So how this thing actually works? A Bluetooth device communicates over 2.4 GHz frequency band with rapidly changing channels. And a jammer like this creates radio interference on the same frequency band, which makes it harder for Bluetooth devices to communicate with each other. It's like you trying to talk to your crush and then her chat boyfriend shows up as interference. Now all you can do is shut the fuck up. So yeah, that's the best example I could come up with.